Folding Torque Dolly is easy, and this is how it's done. Let's detach the wheels frame first. Rotating the plunger lever 180 degrees will retract the pin and unlock the lower frame. This should be done on the other side as well. Detach the lower frame from the upper frame, as shown. Now, let's jackknife fold the upper frame. First, remove the leg quick release pins, and fold it towards the center. Remove the following quick release pins, and fold the upper frame. In order to unfold the dolly, perform the same steps in a reverse order. Thank you for choosing Torque Dolly.